How you doing, everybody? It's your buddy Uncle Bruce here. Stock Markets with Bruce. Good morning, one and all. It's 8:30 in the morning Eastern Time, which is 5:30 my time in the morning. Welcome one, welcome all. Wednesday, August the 25th, 2021. And it's the morning after the big move yesterday on a bunch of stocks, AMC, Gamestop, and a few others. What is going to happen today with our beloved GameStop shares? What's going to happen with AMC and a few other meme stocks? I can tell you the consensus from everywhere. I mean, just everywhere is nobody knows what happened. Nobody can come up with a reason why GameStop took off the way it did, how it did, where it went to. AMC, no one has an answer. There's speculation, lots of speculation about why and what happened, but an official, actual breakdown of what took place and why it took place, no one's got it. Watching all morning here, I've been up for hours. I can't find anything from anybody. I'm just happy you guys are here. Nice to have you join me today. We've got GameStop in the pre-market at this moment. 206.46, which means we're off 383 from yesterday's close. 206.39. Volume of 146,000 about pre-market volume. Interesting. I've been watching a few other shares that we follow closely. I've been keeping an eye on AMC to see what it would do. I had noticed that it was higher most of the morning. At the moment right now, it is showing $45.62, up $1.36. There it is, $45.62, up $1.36. That's on Market Watch, pre-market. The GameStop, like I said, GameStop 206.37. The big markets, the Dow is down 9 points. No big deal there. We're down a point and 3/4 on S&P, and we're down 8 points on NASDAQ. So the three markets are uniform with each other. They're all negative to like 1/100th of a percentage point or 2 or 3. Not a lot going on. There's a lot of pent up speculation going on about what's going to happen with this Jackson Hole virtual summit that they're going to have later this week. The writing to me is on the wall. I just don't see interest rates going up anytime soon. And even if they did, a 1/4 point would be about it over the next year or two. Like, it's not going to change a dang thing for 99.99% of us. It won't make a damn bit of difference in our lives. Perception of higher rates might come into play, but even then, you know what? You got to pay bills every month, and you gotta make sales quotas, and you got to make profits. And I don't care what interest rates do; they can go at 4% for all I care. People are going to make money. There's no question about it. I've been through hell and back with interest rates in my lifetime, and this is chump change here. Is it a good idea to just roll the covered call on games higher price? Yes, it is. It's a very good idea. It's a very good idea. You can either roll it to a higher price for the same expiry date, or take a further expiry further out and go higher. So maybe 220s, 240s, 2 or 3 weeks from now. That might be the move. You got to look at the pricing on that. What volume do you think GameStop will reach today? I don't know. It has to give us, I think it has to give us at least 40, 50 million to really show us an up move. 2.3 right now is not enough. We're half what we should be, in my humble opinion. But I mean, hey, the stock starts to turn around and go over 200 again. That might spur volume. So all bets are off. I need to see some volume on GameStop. Serious volume on GameStop to show me that this is a real run. We're not going to run to 220 to 240 on 15 million shares. It's not going to be sustainable. Just not sustainable. My 170 strike GameStop written call looked pretty bad right now, expiring 3rd September. Should I wait more since 9 days are left and roll the expiration and strike? You can wait. You can still wait. First of all, if the shares drop off another $10 today, they'll really come closer to your neighborhood. And And of course, your contracts will shrink down to book value only as we get closer to expiry. And then you do a rollover. So that might be the Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of the expiry week. So just hang around, just see how things are going. This you could do. You could consider this. You could buy your covered call back, and then turn around, rewrite for later, and take in a higher premium. You could consider it. It's up to you. The stock is obviously ripping right now at 215. So you want to get that top dollar on that new right. You want to lock in that nice high premium. 217 now on the stock. So if you can pull it off, you can do the flip. Great. Write a call, much higher premium, higher strike price, exercise price, right? Pull the string on it, 219 on the stock now, and just go down to September, a little further down, or October, and take a big fat premium if it's offered to you. Yeah, if you can get even more cash in than you're spending, even better. Yeah. I got Cyxtera Tech warrant. Anyone knows about those? Those are given to you as a freebie. You got one of those for every 3 shares you have. You can sell them if you want in the open market. You can keep them. They're good for 5 years. You can exercise them into 1150 stock from the company anytime you want. And if the shares go up in value, those will go up in value as well. And you can ride them for as long as you want. They trade on the open market just like the stock does. So there you go. How about a bull put spread on SoFi at the money? A strike 15 and 1250, as far out as you can go. Any problems with that? Well, if you've got a credit, I mean, the thing is, if you can do a bull spread that's short-term-ish and there's a credit spread in there, you got yourself a deal. But longer term, I'm not so sure. Thank you, everybody, for that. If you'd like to talk to me about a 1-hour session, you want to get together with me, send me an email through my email address, which is right here. It's the old school hotmail.com email address. Send me an email. Say, Bruce, I'd like to talk to you on a one-on-one session. When can you book me in? I'd like to make a reservation and lock it in right away.